Hello friends, my name is Manoj Kumar. In one of my previous video, I discussed about like how you can start a home lab, what are the things that you need to consider, why you need to build it, what are the benefit of having a home lab, and how you can do the cost effectiveness for your home lab, how you can purchase the hardware and all those things. So now in this today video, we'll discuss about like what exactly my home lab is, how exactly it look, and what are the component of that. So this is the picture of my home lab. I know there are few things are very small. So we'll zoom out and we'll see each each of the thing one by one. Okay. So first let's just see this. Okay. So in my previous video, I said that I have like two of the thin clients. So these are like the Elite desks from the HP. So the downside one is the ESXi one that I'm using, and this is the one that the Proxmox is running. So you can also see the name for the Proxmox is Zoro because I'm a great One Piece fan. And the another one is the ESXi name is Luffy. Okay, so if we go into this picture, okay, so what exactly is this picture? Basically, this in this picture, this is my networking gear that I like. What is the story behind it? I covered in the last video. So this is what it is, and like as a professional, I also added a sticker as you can see over here. My handwriting is not that good, but yeah, this is what it is. Okay, so let's just scroll down, and this is the beast. So his name is Nami. The reason behind is this is my TuneApp server. All my storage is coming from there and just connecting to these two uh, hypervisor. Okay, so this is all about at the physical level what exactly things are going on, and we'll see what about the Nami. Okay, so Nami, as you can see, it's a TrueNAS. What is the configuration of that? It's like a i5 6th generation, 32 GB RAM, 128 GB SSD for just for the OS, and 3 TB of storage, right? Where I use it as like a stripe so that I can use the maximum amount of space. You can say, okay, you're not doing any redundancy or something just to. I don't need that. I'm not running any production sort of thing. My main intention is to get the maximum storage of it, so that the I'm just doing to like. So if you want to see, so this is my Tuna server. Let me just log in over here. So yes, my TrueNAS system will look something like this. So this is the storage. It will take some time. And by the way, this is also a refurbished. I did not spend any money on that. But I believe the drive that I'm using, that's the SSD one. And to be very honest, I just go for cheapest option out there in the market. So yeah. So if you go on the storage, this is my main pool that I have. And yeah, this is one of the another share that I created that I'm adding to my ESXi and Proxmox. Okay, just going back over the same diagram. Okay, so if we just scroll up and let's see the Proxmox for the instance. Okay, let me just zoom it a bit and see. So the name of the Proxmox is Zoro, but the configuration of that is i5 6th generation. There's a 32 GB RAM and 122 GB SSD for the OS. Okay, so we'll see what else, what are the things that are running over there. So I just created a VM for having my Portainer. The reason why I'm using Portainer to manage all my Docker instances, like and all my Kubernetes instances. Apart from that, what else I have? I have a test VM. So if I want to test something out of it, I just use this VM. It's a Linux Fedora OS that I'm using. I also having the Nginx proxy manager for giving FQDN to all my home lab URLs. We'll talk about that. And I'm also having a Red Hat. So yeah. So let's just quickly check how the Proxmox look like. So this is my Proxmox server. So this is the configuration that I'm having that I already discussed. It's taking some time. So these are the VMs that I'm having running over there. This is my Nginx proxy manager. So let me try to log in over there. Let's see whether it's working or not. So yeah, this is my Nginx proxy manager, and if I have to log in over there, it is taking some time. And yeah, here it is. If we click on the host, we'll click on the proxy host. So these are the holes that I have. Probably down the line in some of my upcoming video, we'll talk about what exactly Nginx Proxy Manager is and how you can set up in your home lab. So is this all about my Zoro or like my Proxmox? So if I just scroll, zoom out, and let's just talk about Luffy for a second. So Luffy is also like it's also having the same specs that my Zoro have. So it's also like a 15 i5 6 generation, 32 GB of RAM, 120 GB of SSD, and it's queuing for the boot drive. So one of it's only running as of now one VM, that is a vCenter. His name is Robin. So if you go to my ESI, let me just try to log into my Luffy. So yeah, I'm just running on the latest version. This is the one 8.0 update 3. The machine that I run is Robin and the VCLS because in the latest version of ESXi it is required to have the VCLS for the management. So we have one VM like that, and if you log into our vCenter, to be very honest, like it's kind of a slow, but it it do the job then. So I don't have any issue. As few of you guys also know, I'm also a V expert. For that also, I just need to constantly evolve myself. So for that also, this setup helped me a lot in writing and finding out the new things about the vCenter, like the things that I can do and all those stuff. So if you click on the inventory, so yeah, this is a simple setup. I know the alarms are going on. Just ignore those for this time. So this is my data center, and this is my cluster. This is the host that I have, and this is the VM. So let me just change it to like this. So yeah, now it's look good. So yeah, this is all about the short and crisp video. I hope you like it. And this is my home lab. This is my current setup, by the way. Like I'm not sure even like how this setup will be look after 6 months or like after 1 month. I don't know. This is what my setup looks currently. I love to see your home lab setup. You can share. You can let me know over the comment section. You can also share with me over the Twitter. I love to see those home lab setup, and if you have any suggestion, please let me on the comment and regarding your home lab. If you need any assistance like how you can build upon or like in procuring the old hardware, you can probably reach out to me. I have my few of my like contact who share me this, give me the awesome deal on that. Probably I can uh, contact with you. So yeah, that's the quick video about my home lab. I hope you like it. If you have any suggestion, something, please let me know. I love to uh, read your comments. So yeah, that's all for this video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.